Persons with different disabilities are doing various jobs in Shell petrol bunk. Shell.
Shell Retail came into India in 2004. Shell operates in about 110 countries around the world, and Shell is an equal opportunities employer. So we wanted to ensure that the philosophy of diversity is included from the beginning, and we decided that we should hire people with disabilities and women in our petrol stations.
Then joined Shell. My 10th standard exams, and then did Shell physically disabled.
ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ BCom ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೀಸೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಇವಾಗ MBA ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Shell hearing impaired. Physical disability.
ನಾನು BA ಮಾಡಿ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ 2 ವರ್ಷ MA ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸೋಷಿಯಾಲಜಿ.
Apparel supervisor. Manjuna.
First we appointed a few people from Enable India with their help, and then they also helped our blue team with some trainings, because a person who cannot talk or hear the sign language, basically they helped us by training my blue team. Then with the help of them we trained our physically challenged staff.
When we hired people with disabilities, in the initial phase, it was a batch of employees, and we had given them mundane tasks to do, like housekeeping or doing air gauge activity, meaning filling the customers' tires with air. So they came up and spoke to the retailer and said, we would also like to serve customers, but the challenge here is how are they going to communicate with the customers. And when we went back and spoke with Enable India, we came up with a unique solution of having the communication board.
So it says, Namaskara, I cannot speak or hear. Please help me to serve you. It has got local language also translated, and then once that is done, we also have given our safety signs. So if they want petrol, they will also write, if it is full tank, they'll tick it here, or they'll write amount, if it is 1,000 rupees or 500 rupees, or the quantity, 10 liters, 5 liters.
Each of our outlets has got ramps that makes every portion of the retail outlet accessible to people with disabilities. So it's all wheelchair friendly.
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಾದಮೇಲೆ ವೋಚರ್ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಾಸು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅವರು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ CR'ದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, CR ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸು ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡ್ರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಇವತ್ತು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಆರ್ಡ್ರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Hearing
ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌಸ್ಕೀಪಿಂಗು ಮತ್ತು ಮಿಷಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
Most of our problems were rooted in our false assumptions that once you hire a person with disabilities, there's nothing more you need to do. Assumptions that we knew everything that there is to be known about hiring people with disabilities, and an assumption that this is more a CSR responsibility, something that we are doing in charity. So a lot of our problems were rooted in this false assumption. I would say that one of our success factors is the fact that we hardwired these practices into our process, starting from retailer recruitment. When we do our retailer recruitment, we don't look only for qualifications and experiences that the retailer brings to the table, but we also look for a cultural fit. Does the retailer believe in the things that Shell believes in?
ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಟಾಫು ಮತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಬಾಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು.
So we we identified four persons with intellectual disability, minor cerebral palsy, and mental retardation. For the past 4.5 years since they've been with the Shell retail outlet, we've seen a lot of positive comments from customers, and the way they have integrated with the other employees is amazing. I think the biggest breakthrough came when the other employees realized that they could rely on them to do certain things.
Person with intellectual disability. Attendant. Shell.
ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ತಂದ್ಕೋದು ಏರ್ ಹಾಕೋದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪಂಪಿಂದ ಹಾಕೋದು.
ನನ್ನ ಗೋಲ್ ಇರೋದು CA ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ.
ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್. ಮುಂದೆ ಶೆಲ್ಲಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸೂಪರ್ವೈಸರು ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ and get promotion to manager.
There was this customer who works in one of the studios around Arcot Road outlet, and it seems like he was in a hurry, and he drove up to the pump and he asked for a liter of fuel, and the CSA over there was a hearing impaired person, and he asked him to write down his requirement on the communication board. So the customer was a little bit flustered. He said, "I'm in a hurry and I think you guys are delaying me. Why are you asking me to do this?" So the supervisor came over and explained to him that, excuse me sir, this guy is hearing impaired, and that's why you're being asked to write your requirement rather than just speak it out. So the customer was visibly moved when he asked for the complaint register, and the staff handed him over the complaint register, and while he was writing, there were tears in his eyes. When we read that, it was a poem. The customer compared Shell to the rain god who actually produces pearls out of a small raindrop. He was moved by the fact that even in today's age, where we are very competitive, there is an organization that still cares about being a good employer.
ನಾವು ನಿಂತೇ ಇದ್ದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಲೆಲ್ಲ ಫೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರು ಜಾನ್ ಪಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊತಾರೆ.
We are working with Enable India to explore workplace solutions that will allow visually impaired people and people with low vision to work as cashiers and CSAs, so that we are including another group of people with disabilities into our workforce. One of our future plans is to improve our training. The training is aimed at providing better career options to people with disabilities. Currently, most of our training is instructor-led. We would like to change that and make it more media-rich, make it more audiovisual based, so that we are able to reach out to people with disabilities and allow them to grow into roles like supervisors and forecourt attendants or shift managers.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಹುಡುಗರು ಕೋಆಪ್ರೇಟು ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 1 year ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
So I think it's just about verbalizing your vision to do good and going about and doing it, taking the first step. I think it's the most important thing, to take the first step. You'll be surprised how many more people are there around to support you.
Persons with disabilities are doing different tasks like mopping, cleaning the windshield of a car, billing, and directing vehicles.